this is my domain, and so let's go to start how to resolve the problem. Click to install. Waiting just a moment. Install it to verify domain now. Yes, domain already verified. Reload this page, then it's going to HTTPS. Yes, this is protected. I wanna use ZeroSSL for free SSL certificate for my domain. So ZeroSSL providing premium and free SSL as like the free SSL, also premium SSL, etc. So I wanna start with my free SSL for my domain. Need to click get free SSL button. Then you should register first your account as email with password. I have already registered it and added my another domain. So after going to dashboard, then click create SSL certificate to a new certificate. Then put your domain name for free SSL. Yes, you should add your perfect domain name here and nothing to click here as I need welcome certificate because I wanna start for free. So next, click next setup, next step, and here I have click annual certificate by default selected but and since for a 90 days certificate. Then go next. Then you should disable the button for free. If selected, then you, you should go to paid page, but out of free, so they disable this because I didn't add any add-ons. Then go to next step. Then by default generate CSR selected. Then next. Then by default selected. Then next. Then disable per yearly certificate. Uh, then next. Yes, almost done. And here is my email address, but I didn't use email. I am using DNS name. Now we should going to my DNS panel for my hosting. Then adding this DNS CNAME record. Now in here search DNS zone editor. Have already added the domain, but this one is not activated with SSL. So going to manage, then I will add a record. Then this should name. You must not changing anywhere. Sorry, this is a record. So you know it should select CNAME record. Then point to point to in record, then TLS 36 or lower by default is 1400. This one. Then click to save record. Yes, save it. Now asking to save CNAME record. Then going to next step for uh, ZeroSSL.com and click next step. And now click to verify the domain. It's be in here needs sometimes to propagate the DNS, uh, sometimes missing, then need to wait. But click to verify domain now. Yes, domain already verified. Uh, Installation complete. Waiting some a moment, then you can facing the page download and install certificate. By default, server type default format. Uh, I will click, don't click anything. Then download the certificate from here, and in here download it. My certificate for proinventory.com.zip. Uh, then waiting this page for sec installation. Then now I am going to my uh, control panel. Then in here search SSL TLS create, manage and delete SSL certificate. The link. This is my previous page, and then I'm going to upload my certificate manage SSL site. Sorry, it should here generate view upload or delete your private key. Uh, then choose a key file. Uh, and upload my package for it's like I've received my zip file. It's a separate option here. View, upload, delete, upload certificate, upload certificate.crt, and click here, upload certificate.crt, and by default, upload by package is download from here. Then the one certificate will be uploaded at time. Yes, upload it. Then upload. After upload, they need to install. Sorry, here install. Yeah, ZeroSSL. This is my certificate. ZeroSSL for Pro Inventory. This is another horse already passed the validation time. So I will click ZeroSSL. This one can delete previous uh, for duplicate prevent duplicating previous deleted. Then I am going to install this one. Install. Yes, this certificate CRT, and also bundle. I need to select already selected, but the private key is blank because I'm not partially added private key. So now I'm going to open a private key from here. This is key, then pasting here, then I want to open the file with notepad. C, Control A, Control C, copy, then Control V to paste. This is CRT, Certificate Private Key and Certificate Authority bundle. Then uh, click to install. Waiting just a moment, install it, and okay, I've already installed it. Now click to verify my certificate. Just check installation for ZeroSSL. Yeah, ZeroSSL certificate mismatch invalid. Maybe somewhere ZeroSSL mismatch. I'm going to again this domain, autofill by domain. Then again click to install certificate. Yeah, maybe done now. Okay, and again your certificate has been issued and is ready for installation. To continue, please follow step. Maybe now it's done. I'm reloading the page and check again. Yes, the certificate is installed successfully, and if I reload this page, then it's going to HTTPS. Yes, this is protected with SSL certificate HTTPS. So thanks for watching the video. If you have informative this video, please subscribe to support me. Thank you.